welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Charlie and I sell handmade polymer clay earrings and accessories for my shop called Charrings. So today we have another studio vlog. You guys seem to love them, so I'm gonna keep making them, and it's fun for me to make as well and edit. I really enjoy it. So I thought you could spend the day with me, whether you like it or not. Now this morning I've already had my croissant for breakfast. I've had a shower, done my hair, makeup, got dressed. I had a bit of anxiety last night, so I wanted to just get up and spend that extra time in the morning for myself because I don't do it very often at all. I have a wax appointment at 11 o'clock today. It's currently 9 o'clock, which is a later start for me, but as I said, I've had a morning getting myself ready. It's currently 9 o'clock. I've got a Black Friday sale on today for 30% off everything, and tomorrow I'm going away until Sunday. It's currently Tuesday today, so today we've got a lot to do. I've got to finish majority of my orders. I actually vlogged yesterday, which I'm going to edit in a minute, and yesterday we had 61 orders, not including Etsy and not on the high street. So we've got 3 on Etsy and 2 on not on the high street that I need to accept. But as for the orders yesterday, we had 61. I brought it down to 32 last night. I worked till 11:30 last night. So I'm going to go and edit that vlog now so that I can post it tonight, and then I need to edit another vlog for Friday because obviously I'm going to be away. So I'm going to do that first. Then I got my wax appointment at 11, so hopefully I can get it done in time for that. And then when we come back from the wax appointment, I'm probably going to pick up a salad for lunch there because there's a nice bakery nearby. I used to actually have my earrings in there. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to smash out as much as we possibly can. Any Black Friday orders that are coming in, I'm going to try and get them all done today as well. Mila's as well. This is it. It's always embarrassing because I don't actually like anything in a salad. I just want the nice stuff. I've got egg, chicken, lettuce, carrots, coleslaw and potato. Literally no salad bits. She's like, tomato, cucumber. I'm like, no, none of that. And then look, the thing is, when you're in there, her brownies are so good, you've got to get a brownie. And then I thought, well, what about Sam? He's not got a brownie. But you don't like brownies, so I got him a blondie. And then I just thought, well, might as well get 4. I got 2 brownies. I got a brownie for myself with my salad because, you know, healthy balance. And then I'm going to save one of my brownies and one of Sam's blondies for tomorrow for the trip to Bristol. Little road trip snack. And then I've got him a blondie for after tea as well for today, or if he gets home a bit earlier today, he can have it then. Just received another order just now while I was ordering my salad. I think it was the gingerbread trio, which I actually need to make some more of them. So yeah, let's go. This is what I show up to. Look at this guy waiting for me in the window. Hello, what's it? I've just had my lunch and I've just finished off finally the YouTube video. It's now 1 o'clock. The time literally flies so much. I have so much to do. So I have just finished that. I'm gonna make a thumbnail and get it uploaded, and then that is just out of my head. I'm gonna have to do the other one later, or maybe I should just smash it out now. Yeah, I think I'm just exporting that one now. I'm gonna do the thumbnail, and then I'm gonna do the other video, which is an ASMR pack-in, so it's pretty easy and like chill. I'll do that one, and then that'll be at least this week's video sorted while I'm away, and then we can just smash out everything I need to do. So that everyone who's subscribed to the mailing list, feel free to. It's on the front page of my website. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see it there. You can pop in your email. It means you get updates on any sales or anything like that. So just sent out the email. It would be interesting to see if I get any orders from it or not. But now we can finally sit down at bloody 1:15. We can sit down and see what I've got to do. So I'm just working on a wholesale order. They ordered 20 Christmas decorations like these ones, but they're gonna be glittery snowflakes, which I'm actually really excited to make, and I might make a few extra and put them on my shop as well. So I'm gonna just do that now. I've got 3 loads of clay laid out. Here is my snowflake cutout. I've never used it before, so I'm literally praying it's fine. But I'm gonna need quite a lot of clay, I think. More than I expected, but that's fine. Let me just double check. She wanted 20. I can't remember if it's 20 or 15. I think it's 20. So we're gonna do 20. Let's just have a little check-in because I feel like I haven't videoed in a good few hours. So it's currently 5:30 p.m. I don't know why I said it like that. I have been getting little bits done, but I've not recorded it, which is just great for a studio vlog. I have just filmed a whole new video for Munbin, which they have kindly sent me a new thermal printer, which is so cute. Let me show you. How cute is that? And I was just testing out printing out some labels, stuff like that. These have got my website on. It's actually really good. Keep an eye out for that video soon. But my boyfriend has just come home from work and he needs me to do him a thumbnail, so that's what we're going to do now. We've just taken the photos for his thumbnail, so now I just need to put them on my drive, upload them onto my computer, make the thumbnail for him, and then I can carry on. So then I've got a good few orders to pack now, I think. So that's probably going to be as much as I can get done today. I'll tell you as well how many orders I got today so far, because obviously we've got the Black Friday sale today. 8 orders today. My boyfriend has his own YouTube channel and he does music reactions, so that's why I do his thumbnails for him, because he's no good at it. I'm better at it. Here is the thumbnail that I've made. I think it's quite Christmassy. I quite like it, so just gonna see what he thinks, and then I'll send it to him and then we can crack on. So I've just been editing a TikTok and then I've just posted it now, and then I just need to post it as a short and as a YouTube video as always. This one is like more of an ASMR chilling, packing an order. It's about a minute long, but it is like the fire is crackling behind. I've got some really slow, calm music in the background. I thought a bit of a different upload from me, but I feel like you need that sometimes, you know. So just posting that now. It's taken a long time to post on TikTok, but and then can finally go over there, start packing some orders. It's currently 6 o'clock. I've not even fed the cat yet. I've not had tea. Sam's about to go to a guitar lesson at 12:30, so once he gets back, we might probably just nip out and get a KFC or something, something quick, because we ain't got time to be making tea today. I'm not gonna have time to even pack. I'm probably gonna have to do that in the morning now for our trip away. But my TikTok has now uploaded, which is very exciting. I've got 2 more orders as well, so in the last like 3 minutes. So I'm up to 10 orders today, which is very exciting. Right, let's post this Instagram reel. Going up in followers as well on Instagram. Yesterday I had 6,515 and today I've got 6,674. So we've gone up nearly 200 followers in 24 hours, which is very exciting. Right, I can finally pack some orders now. It is 6:30. I was just reading some YouTube comments and I was getting really frustrated because people can be really entitled in the comments. I make these videos take hours to film, hours to edit, hours to upload, do the thumbnail and everything. I put so much time and effort into these videos and I just get bloody hate. It's well annoying. I did a like testing Team Cutters video. It's meant to be fun, light-hearted. I'm not educating anyone. I'm just seeing if they're good or not and letting you know. I'm just trying to be helpful. Thought it would be fun. But bloody hell, every comment's like, oh, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong, you're doing this wrong. I've been doing it 4 years. I kind of know what I'm doing to a certain extent, you know, like, you don't have to be entitled and dictate in the comments. It's so annoying. Just if you've got an opinion, you think, you know, some of them are fine because you're telling me I'm doing something wrong, or like I'm using a mold and someone's like, some people are like, oh, if you do this, this might help. If you do this, this might help. That's fine. Like, I take the constructive criticism because then I can work on myself and it teaches me, yeah, and also other people in the comments. So I fully invite any comments, honestly. But it's the ones that's like, this is user error, you don't know what you're doing. Shut up. I do know what I'm doing. When I looked back, so basically I'm trying a mold that has like flowers, right, roses. It does not work. The blueberry one also does not work. You can't tell me that it works with polymer clay. Trust me, it doesn't. And then everybody's saying like, oh, it's because it's like for chocolate and resin, which I did mention in the video, but I was like, yeah, that makes sense now. I've had a look, it doesn't even say clay. So that was a mistake on my part. I shouldn't have even ordered it. But it's okay, I've tested it anyway, now we know. But someone's like, well, there's a few comments saying like, you use it error, it works for me. Like, okay, well then tell me how. How does it work for you? So I've just commented back saying, could you tell me how you've used that differently then? Bloody gobby. It does my head in. I hate people that just drop hate. Like, what are you doing? I'm trying to make this a nice environment where everyone's welcome, we can teach each other. Be nice, you don't need to be right, anyway, rant over. I'm glad you got to join me with that. And if you're one of the people that commented, why don't you just block me? Okay, and move on. Unless you commented nice, then thank you very much for commenting. You've boosted my video, I appreciate it. I've got loads of inquiries as well that I need to get back to, so I will do that after. I have just received an order, so let me refresh and see what that was. This is the 11th order, I believe. They ordered everybody's ordering stuff I don't have. So they've ordered Snoopy, which I ran out of, so I need to make more. So they've ordered a Snoopy necklace, Snoopy earrings, and the Grinch tree earrings, which is very exciting. But unfortunately, I won't be able to pack that right now. But there's loads of people on the website at the moment, I think, because I've got my Black Friday set up. Now it's the evening, people are being able to actually have a little look. But there's 5 people on the website at the moment. I've got 43 orders to complete, so let's see what we can drop that down to. Ideally, in a perfect world, I would have got them all complete today, but I can't even do the Christmas crackers. So everyone that's ordered a Christmas cracker, I'm going to have to email after this, I think, and just let them know that there's going to be quite a delay. So I'm just going to pop on a time lapse now, so you can just watch me work away. I'll put some annoying tune on that only YouTube lets. That I have managed to pack this evening. I'm literally gonna sit down now and do all the shipping labels and everything for them. So let's do that. I'm getting a bit exhausted now. It's 7:30 now. I still haven't had tea or anything, so I'd really like to eat soon because I'm really hungry, but I'm also trying to get this done, so let's smash through this. So it's currently 8 o'clock. I'm just a bit like upset because I've got it down. I've done loads of orders, but I've got it down to 23. But you know, some are from the 15th and it's now the 26th. It's not good enough to have that long, but now I've got 4 days off as well. So I'm just stressing because I'm thinking like people are going to get really angry in a minute. And I'm just frustrated that I can't keep up. It's really frustrating, but hopefully the majority of people will understand. The only reason I can't send them is because the crackers aren't turned up yet. So I need to email all of them. Honestly, tonight I've still got to email all my customers and tell them that the crackers still haven't arrived. And then I've got to upload one of my boyfriend's shorts for him and TikTok. And then I still need to eat tea. I've not even ate anything yet. I still need to go and get tea, go get cat litter and cat food for when we're away, go and drop off loads of clothes. I've got like 10 bin bags full of clothes in the car of stuff that I've cleared out the wardrobe on the weekend and I don't want any of them, so I need to take them. It's too late to take them to a charity shop, so I'm going to have to try and find one of the donation bins at like one of the supermarkets or something and drop it off there. I don't even know, I feel like I've got too many to drop off there, but I'm going to try my best. I'll have to go to a few different ones. Then I need to go send off my orders and it's like 8 o'clock. I'm packed. I still need to edit the mum bin video, but I might just have to email them and say I literally don't physically have the time in the day, or maybe I'll just need to stay up after midnight and do that later. Oh, it's just a lot, you know. It's bloody exhausting. But you know, that's the joys. I've had a couple more orders as well from Black Friday. I've sent off a bunch of them that have come through today, but the ones that I haven't been able to do, like who's got crackers or the earrings aren't made, I've not sent them off, and that's fine to wait 4 days, you know, it's the weekend as well, so it's okay. But it's just a bit stressful when it gets to like a point like this where I'm just like, I'm so tired, I just want to eat and sit down, but it's too much to do, so I'm gonna go out and do all that. Sorry about the doom and gloom to end the video, guys. It's okay. I'm gonna go get some food now. It's now nearly 9 o'clock. I've done all the orders, everything is done. I am going to go and do all the things I need to go and do, so I'm gonna go for a little drive. I've bought a mount for my GoPro, so that when I'm in the car you can actually join me, but it's not coming till tomorrow, and obviously I'm not going to be here, so that will come soon, and then it'll be like you can drive with me as well, which will be nice. So yeah, unfortunately I can't bring you with me. It is pitch black out there as well, literally pitch black, so you won't be able to see me anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna head off. Please do subscribe if you're not already. I would really appreciate it. Please like the video. I never asked that, but please do like, and I'll see you in the next one.